What's up guys, this is your boy JaaM Javed. Welcome to my channel Crazy JaaM. In this video I am going to blast this brand new phone in front of you guys. Look at the mobile. This is on now. First of all, impression is a good thing for you guys. Please watch the video till end. We will see you after the video. Let me try the experiment. Guys, look at the mobile. Look at the mobile. Oh my god. I am nothing hearing at that time, but look at the condition of the mobile. This is totally blast, but not turn into pieces. Look at the glass. Nothing happened at the back side of the mobile, but in front you see there are a lot of damage done on the screen, on the panel. So guys, if you enjoy the video, like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. We will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.
Olmaz derler. Onlar gibi düşünmedikçe çoban derler. Biz Müslümanız, düşünce saldır. Biz Rabbe müptelayız, işimde Allah, dilimde Allah, zikrimde Allah, aklımda Allah, aşkımda Allah, aslımda Allah.